Hey guys, welcome back. I am popping on to do my last layout for June 2022 for Build a Page. And this collection kit, page kit, etc. is built around cocoa vanilla these days. And I am doing a challenge as well where I have to use metal dies. It was a challenge that was out for International Scrapbook Day at Scrapbook and Cards today. So that is the challenge I'm going to do, which is good because, guys, I do not use my dies nearly enough. It's pretty bad. So, trying to see. Okay, I'm clicking. I am clicking. Okay. So oh yeah, Andrea did the most beautiful layout. You guys should check it out. So let's see if there's any other criteria I need to do. Let's see, cute. Okay, use metal dies on your project. Great. So I have this. I do know I'm going to use this as a mat. This will be my background page. I have these two little tiny photos of myself in Florida. This is a foodie pic with ceviche, and this is me just waiting for food to come along at this one oyster bar. So I'm looking this way, so we'll probably do something like that. Great. Now I have these dies. They're by Sizzix, and they're just all kinds of leafy bits, so I thought that would work. And I'm just going to should I look at these first, or should I look at my scraps? Probably my scraps to see what I should cut things out of. I can do that. Let's see what's on the back side. Nope. So this would be good. What's this one? No, that's not a good one. These cute little houses and frames clearly are made for detail cutting, so I'm going to leave them alone. These pieces I included, I'm not even touching. Look at me. Okay, so I guess what I will do next is look at some of these things. So I have some blue in the photo. Let's bring in blue. Let's see what other, oh, this might be cute for a die. Oh, and you can see wood on the table. So why don't I go ahead and cut them out of this too. All right, I'm gonna do all kinds of cutting, and I am going to map my photos, gut this gorgeous piece right here because I don't want to waste any, and attach this down. So it's going to take me a minute, but I'll be back. Guys, I ended up pivoting from my dies to use some of these that I have. They're from scrapbook.com, nested dies. They're gorgeous, right? And so I have them cut out, and they're very pretty, but I kind of like the circles better, and they're just circles. Like, what is wrong with me? I mean, I actually just want to use the circles, and I think these are so pretty. I don't know. So I'm going to save these. These will get used for something else because they're also cool. Or that looks kind of cool like that too. Guys, there's so many things you can do with dies that, you know what that looks like to me? It looks like a baby bib. Okay, so we're pivoting. There is a pivot happening. I've got these gorgeous pieces with these nifty colors from Cocoa Vanilla, right? So I'm thinking of doing something just like that now. Now I have tons and tons of embellishments, so I can totally go off and do that. I need to map my photos a bunch of times with all of my scraps. I'm gonna do that, and it's still gonna take me a minute. Like I literally have so many scraps and pretty things to look at and all of that. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to be back, but I thought I'd show you how I started with one idea for my dies, went to the next one. I was going to do leafy bits, right? I go to the next one, then I just like the plain old circles. Like, seriously, people, what is wrong with me? Okay, I'll be right back. Pretty much this is my design, right? And now I just get to do all of the fun decorative bits. I need to come up with my title. I've got some flair, the itty bitty ones from Scrap and Happy Studio. I have all of these die cuts, so that's awesome. I have these bits. Now I'm in Florida in these pictures, so it's kind of like, might go more floral than all of the cute little houses. So let me think towards that. And I've got some buttons that I love, and I've got alphas. So Let's see. Lovely home, this life. Let's see. Sweet. Oh, no, sweet life. Let's see. All right, clearly I need a second moment. I'm looking at all of these things, but I want to use these and these. So I think maybe I'll do Sweet Life with these and then do where I was located with the mini puffies. I think that will work. Okay, I have that going on. And I did say I wanted to go pretty floral. So I'm going to take these die cuts away for now. I will see what I want to do. There's 50 of them in here, guys, and they are gorgeous. Ooh, guys, there's a piece in here that reads happy. So I'm going to do happy life and then the place with this. Okay, I have a little bit of direction where I'm going. I'll be back in a moment. Guys, this might be one of these situations where I end up wanting to use every single little thing. I have happy and life on here, and this is a sticker that reads sweet. So I just put it where the photo of myself is, because I figure we should highlight that slightly more than the ceviche, slightly. I did pick out some butterflies. I'm gonna end up choosing 3. I just didn't know which ones I wanted to use yet, so that's fine. Now I have this black here, so I'm definitely going to wanna bring in this kind of a black wood grain. Now, I would like it to be down here, so I'm wondering if I'm going to end up finding something to highlight because I need black in 2 places. Okay. Got to calm down. This is so fun. Let's see. Oh, and by the way, I ended up matting my photos in some of this cut apart sheet. I saw it. I'm like, you know what? They're kind of the right size, so let's just use them. You know, my first go-to would be grabbing 5 million photo mats, and this is how it ended up. Like this little love this bit. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put it flat down there. I'm trying to bring a little bit more weight over here. So let's see what I have here. I think, do I do this? Ooh, I kind of like that with the 3 butterflies. So let's get rid of coral butterfly for now. We will give them just a little bit of life when we pop them up because it'll be so much cuter. See, boop, boop. Oh, gonna have to switch that out because I don't want the 2 blues so close, which nobody else in the world cares, I know. All right, I'm gonna keep playing, but I thought I would show you where I'm going with this. So I have a nice little diagonal kind of hitting this way. So I found 5 different flowers and tuck, tuck, tuck here and there, and that was fun because they're so stinking pretty. Okay, I have these little wood buttons that I think will be a great amount of dimension. So let's see. Love you is a little tricky considering it's about, you know, me. So, oh, I have sweet there. Ooh, look at this cute little butterfly. I'm gonna put that right in the floral center because it's nice and tiny. Will that allow for it as well right there? The happy's kind of getting squished. Let me move happy over a tiny bit. So that's fun. And a couple of the clusters, and maybe I can put one right here. Ooh, good day. Anytime there's a coffee, it's a good day. Okay, that was fun. They ended up being in the center of floral clusters. Not really my plan, but this layout's just deciding what it wants. Now I have some puffies, and puffies, let's see, love this, that works. And I know it says love this right there, but apparently we are just being redundant. I just like all the puffy bits. Love this. I think this little beautiful memories would be nice. Right about here. Guys, my boys are just crashed out on the bed behind me. They are sawing some serious logs. I have it there, and let's do one more spot. How about right here? Let's see, I've got these adorable puffy bits. Now I already have plenty butterflies. There's more than one for what I have going on. Home doesn't work. We did the puffy here, and here. So I figured that's a nice little visual triangle for that. how about we just sprinkle these cute little flowers, not flowers, hearts here, there, and everywhere. I think that will do it. So I think I'm going to see about using them all up, all around my clusters, and that might do it. I don't know. I might have to come in with some black and white Splatty Bits in a minute too. So let me go ahead and get these puffies all over the place. And yeah, I'll come back and we'll do some Splatty Bits to finish it up. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I just took some golden titanium white, added a little bit of water to it. And I'm going to see if it wants to do Splatty Bits or not. Right now, it's fighting me. There we go. We're getting a little bit. And I'm going for them being a little bit on the delicate side because I love this Cocoa Vanilla product and I don't want it to get, I don't know, covered too much. It's just so pretty. I'm looking for it to be enhanced. So a bit like that right there. All right, guys, I'm going to keep going on this. I think I'm going to come in with some shimmers paint for Splatty Bits, and I'll show you the finished project. All right, my friends, I have to let my little Splatty Bits dry that I have going here, but I am loving this layout using this kit, and it was great to use stash that I wasn't going to be using otherwise. So I have to wait to take pictures until tomorrow. We have this big old thunderstorm going on. So I will do that and I will get this video up for you guys. And I'll have links down below for the other build a page creators. And I think that's it. Okay, guys. I will have a layout share and a kill a kit, kind of, but none of my kits are killed tomorrow. Okay, guys, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.